Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to get the best working CD key promo codes. So the first one right here is you'll have to go to groupon.com, search up your CD keys right here and search your location of course. And next you will have to check out the actual deals that are going on today right now. So it's going to vary from time to time like in December and in January, so it's going to vary from time to time. So this will change throughout time and just be quick. So if you're watching this video on a February, you'll just have to probably go to the website right here and get the deal yourself. So if you want, you can just actually get it right here and you'll be able to just get it by placing your email address and then you'll be able to use the actual discount code right here on CD Keys, and it's just that simple. So there you go, guys. That is how you get the best working CD Keys promo code for free.